delicious artichoke recipes for weight loss. If you're planning on losing weight, these artichoke recipes are for you. Artichokes are full of nutrients that will help you burn fat without endangering your health. Number 1. Artichoke horsetail tea. This tea, made out of artichoke and horsetail, is excellent for weight loss. Nutrients in it will help you burn calories, get your blood circulating, and minimize cellulite. Number 2. Artichoke salad. Artichokes are delicious, and one great way to add them to your diet is with this low-calorie salad. Number 3. Spanish artichoke omelet. If you'd rather have artichoke for breakfast, then this tasty Spanish omelet is an excellent option. It will give you a protein boost and help keep you energized throughout your busy day.